The videos show a deep dive into your GStocks GFunds portfolio, specifically focusing on a recent investment activity in the Atrum Philippines Sustainable Development and Growth Fund. Based on the video, here is a breakdown of what's happening in your digital wallet. Portfolio snapshot. Total investment. You have 50.06 Cuban pesos invested in the Atrum Fund, approximate 0.4435 units. Wallet balance. Your available GCash balance is currently 1.27 Cuban pesos, which explains the requesting or inability to complete a new purchase without a cash-in. Fund performance. The fund has seen a slight one-year return of plus 0.91%. However, looking at the 12-week chart in the photos, the NAVPU, net asset value per unit, has trended downward from around 125 Cuban pesos to 112.89 Cuban pesos. Investment conflict. Risk appetite. One of the most interesting photos is the high-risk investment warning pop-up. Your profile. Your risk appetite is currently set to conservative. Fund profile. The Atrum Sustainable Development Fund is classified as aggressive. The result. The app required you to manually agree to proceed because the fund's volatility is higher than what your profile typically allows. Pending transaction details. The screenshots show you were in the process of a buy order. Order status. Orders typically take 4 business days to complete. The video shows specific details for your investment in the Atrum Philippines Sustainable Development and Growth Fund. Net asset value per unit, NAVPU peso 112.893779, as of April 29, 2026. Total units owned, 0.4435. 1-year return. The fund shows a modest growth of 0.9100% over the past year. Recent trend. The 12-week chart indicates a slight downward trend in price, moving from approximately 125 toward the current 112 range. Fund objective. This is an equity fund that invests in Philippine companies contributing to positive environmental or social change. Investment status. You currently have no pending buy or sell orders, 0 Cuban pesos. Asset type. Despite your conservative risk appetite, this specific fund invests in equities, stocks. Generally, equity funds are considered higher risk than bond or money market funds, though this specific fund focuses on sustainable growth. Portfolio size. This appears to be a starting balance or a test investment, as the total value is 50.06 Cuban pesos.